Today in the lab, we want to take a look at carbon deposits that can happen inside your engine, more specifically on the valves.
So what we've got here is a set of valves that we're going through a very extreme test, 40 continuous hours of 290 degrees. And it's obvious you can see the difference between the valves that were treated with zMAX and the valves that weren't.
Yeah, these are the intake valves right here, and really where you want to be looking is down here on the stem. This one was treated with zMAX here, and this one was not. And you can see the deposits right there building up on that stem, and it's going to make the air a lot more turbulent as it's flowing through there. Think about it like the air is traveling down a bumpy dirt road or something.
Yeah, that's not what you want to have going on inside your combustion chamber. So these are the exhaust valves here, and you can see that it's much more extreme, the carbon buildup, because you have a lot higher temperatures on the exhaust valves themselves. So this one, the carbon buildup goes all the way up the valve stem, and the one with zMAX stops way short.
The reason it stops there is because of micro-lubrication, and the zMAX actually soaks into the metal and lubricates it from the inside out. So realistically, the carbon and the carbon deposits have nothing to stick to.
So as you can see, the zMAX is cleaning the carbon off of the engine components, and it's maintaining a clean component for the duration of the engine.
And this experiment is done.